Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do next question on principle of mathematical induction in algebra of matrices. So our question for today is that if A is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, then prove that AI plus BA to the power n is equal to A to the power n I plus n into A to the power n minus 1 into BA, where I is a unit matrix of order 2 and n belongs to positive integers. So as per our algorithm, we will first check for n is equal to 1. So in LHS, we get AI plus BA to the power 1, which is equal to A to the power 1 into I plus 1 into A to the power 1 minus 1 into BA. So from here we get AI plus BA, which is equal to RHS. So hence our result is true for n is equal to 1. And now we will check that our result be true for n is equal to k. So we can write it as AI plus BA to the power k is equal to A to the power k into I plus k into A to the power k minus 1 into BA. And now our third step, that our result is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. So I can write AI plus BA to the power k plus 1 equal to AI plus BA to the power k into AI plus BA according to law of indices. And now using step 2, I can write the value of AI plus BA to the power k. So from here we get A to the power k into I plus ka k minus 1 into BA into AI plus BA. So when we multiply A to the power k into I with AI, we get A to the power k plus 1 into I square. And then we will multiply A to the power k into I with BA. So we get A to the power k into I into BA. And then we will multiply ka to the power k minus 1 into BA with AI. So we get ka to the power k IBA. And then we will multiply ka to the power k minus 1 BA into BA. So from here we get ka to the power k minus 1 into b square a square. And now student, using some properties associated to matrices, we know that I square can be written as I dot I. And when we multiply two identity matrix, we always get an identity matrix. And similarly, when we multiply any identity matrix with a square matrix A, we always get our square matrix, which is equal to A. So I into A equal to A into I equal to A. And as per our question, our square matrix A is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. So A square will be equal to A dot A. And when we multiply our square matrix 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 1, 0, 0. So we get A square is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. And this is equal to null matrix. So using these properties, we can write AI plus BA to the power k plus 1 equal to A to the power k plus 1 into I. And from A to the power k IBA plus k A to the power k IBA, I can take A to the power k BA as common. And in bracket, we get k plus 1. And then plus ka to the power k minus 1 into b square. And as we know that A square is a null matrix, so b square into 0. So from here we get A to the power k plus 1 into I plus k plus 1 into A to the power k into BA. And this is equal to RHS. So student, our result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, our result is valid for all the positive integer n. And now practice this question, mention on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.